Up first this evening, the search is still on to find Halake Smikle, a 14-year-old from Job's Hill in St. Mary. The little girl and her sister were washed away by a river behind their home during heavy rains in the area yesterday.
A search team found the smaller sister, 10-year-old Kiwana Ricketts, somewhere along the river course in the Castleton area. Kirk Wright was there on the search today.
The two girls were washed away Thursday afternoon while at the river behind their house helping their mother who was washing. The mother said not long after she stepped away to hang out the clothes, her son came running with the frightening news. A team was quickly mobilized on Thursday and the search started for the girls. But on Friday came the sad news. 10-year-old Kiwana Ricketts was found dead. We were just in time to get a glimpse of the police vehicle removing the body of the 10-year-old girl. Her body was found in Castleton in a section of the river in the Providence community. The search team then reassembled before they dispersed, determined to find the older child, hoping for some good news this time, that they will find her alive. There are some challenges with carrying out this search. In fact, bear with me, because one mistake by me could send me stumbling from where I am standing now, several feet down into the river, where a team went back to the general area where the first child was found to see if they would locate the other child. And one of the main challenges with this is the terrain, where you have to walk to get to do the actual search. If you can see, I'm walking right next to this slope, and the walkway is very, very thin, which makes it that more treacherous for persons to walk. And this is where the search teams, they walk to get to the different areas in order to access the river. The teams were meticulous in their search for 14-year-old Halake Smikle, sifting through piles of backed up rubble along the river course with their bare hands. The police and military are involved in the search. Deputy Superintendent Romeo Henry, who is leading the search, said they have called for assistance to widen the search area.
We are happy to have the JDF on board, and when we reached out to them, it was a yes right away, and ever since they have been traveling the streams with us, and we are very appreciative of that. We have also asked for the assistance of the Marine Police, and they are also giving us some coverage out on the seaside, because the truth is that once we have an incident of persons being washed away in the Wagwater River, then they are, more likely will find themselves out to the mouth of the Wagwater River, which is out at the Anata Bay end.
The residents told us they intend to continue searching throughout the night once the weather conditions remain favorable. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.